All right.
Where are you, Darren?
We are making homemade dog and cat treats.
Let me eat it.
Okay.
He's like, what is that?
Oh my! Woo! Oh, Buster!
So how was it, Buster?
Oh, he's excited. Oh my! He loves it. Okay. I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime Cookbook, Volume 1, and our new Volume 2. We have over 1,200 recipes in Volume 1 and 800 recipes in Volume 2 to help you eat better, spend less. Both books have full color pictures right there. Easy to make recipes that your family will love. Please check them out at livingonadime.com. So, you use wheat flour, but in our case, I'm using oatmeal because Buster has an allergy to wheat and corn. And if we give him wheat and corn, then he starts scratching and scratching and scratching.
And coughing and stuff.
And really annoys us. So, I am making his with oatmeal so that he will not have that scratching problem. Okay.
The dog treat recipes.
Yes.
Okay.
So what you do is if you're using oatmeal, if you're using flour, you don't have to do this. But if you're using oatmeal, throw it in your blender. Gonna grind up my oats. Okay. So I've got in my flour, and then you need baking powder.
So this is the peanut butter one.
This is the peanut butter ones. But I kind of have to sit with my knees to my nose in the thing, so it's kind of hard. Okay, and then our peanut butter.
Oh, a lot of people loving Buster.
How much peanut butter do I need? I think it's...
Oh, I'm not sure which recipe it was related to, but Amy asked, can you use regular flour? Is that on the previous recipe?
So on either of these, you can use regular flour. I'm just doing this for Buster because he has a wheat and a corn allergy. And if we give him wheat and corn, then it really makes him start scratching, and he's really not fun to be with.
Katie was asking, Amy's wondering, can you feed the cats these treats?
We have a cat treat
on the same post.
In there on the same post. And it's got tuna in it instead of peanut butter. So it's basically the same recipe but with tuna. But we do have a cat one, yes. Alright, so now I'm going to do this the easy way because I don't feel like cutting out little whatever. So
lots of people loving your hat.
Thank you guys.
And Carrie says she's a newbie to the show. Hello.
Okay, that one's way too thin. I did not mean to go that thin, but you know what? We'll just keep going.
Those are really
the hat does exist.
Okay, and then on your ends, just kind of smush them together in. Okay, now, like this little piece here and this piece, I'm going to combine these, roll it and make a cute little flat. So then we're just going to take the pieces, put them together a little bit easier.
Get off.
Okay, now, there we go. Those are all ready. We're going to throw those in the oven.
Oh, the dog treats page. Yes, let me share that again.
Okay, now these are finished. See, they're dye-free and everything bad for the dogs free. Now these ones you do not need to refrigerate because they weren't made with meat. You could, here, we'll see if this one, we'll let this one cool and then we'll give it to Buster.
Do you want me to take out the camera once that
So those you don't have to let them be refrigerated. You can just let them sit out. So, okay. Oh, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, come here, Buster. Cool. Here. Hold it. Yeah. Okay. Here's Buster. Oh my goodness, dude. Okay, pick a treat. Let's see if he likes them.
But turn towards the camera so everyone can see the look on his face.
Okay, it's not hot, right? Make sure it's not hot.
Here, feel it.
You feel it. You'll know if it's hot. Is it hot?
It's kind of warm.
Okay, blow on it for just a minute. Oh, dude. Oh, my. He smells something delicious.
He's sniffing. Hold over here so that everybody can see him eat it.
Okay.
He's like, what is that?
Oh, my. Woo! Oh! Oh, Buster.
So how was it, Buster?
Oh, he's excited. Oh my, he loves it. Okay.